Hi guys, what's going on? It's the digital tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you how to change your email address on Twitter on either PC or laptop. And if you find this helpful today, please drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So in order to do this, we just need to open up our browser and then come across to twitter.com. And if you're not already, then what you need to do is just go ahead and log into your account. And from the home screen, if you look at the menu on the left hand side, you need to come down and click onto the More option down here at the bottom, and then go ahead and click onto Settings and Privacy. From here, if you look at the right hand menu, you need to click on the top option here which says Account Information. And what's going to happen, it's just going to prompt you to enter your password again, just for a security check. And then what you want to do is click the third option down here, which says email. And you'll see it's come up now saying change email, add email address. So just go ahead and click this box. And again, we're going to just enter our password just to verify ourselves. And what we can do from here is add our email address that we'd like to use. So it says enter the email address you'd like to associate with your Twitter account. Your email is not displayed in your public profile on Twitter. So I'm just going to go ahead and enter the email that I would like to use. And then you'll see that's going to change to next. So just go ahead and give that a click. And what they're going to do is send a code through to your email address that you've changed to. So I'm just going to go across and grab the code. So once you've gone ahead and popped the verification code in, all you need to do is hit the verify button in the top right hand corner. And you can see that's now added my email address, and that's got listed as the current email. And to change this again, all you need to do is follow the steps again. So go to More, Your Account, and change email from there. And then you just need to click this button here which says Update Email Address. And it's just going to take you through the same process. So you just need to, again, enter your password to verify. And it's going to say what your current email is. And it's going to ask what you would like to update it to. So you just enter that down here. Again, it will send a code through to the email address you want to change to. Enter that in, and that will update and change your email. So I hope you found that helpful. And if that did help, please drop a like and leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description below where you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.